In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in Manychat. Tags are one of the easiest ways to organize your audience, personalize follow-ups, and trigger automations based on what people do inside your bot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to place a tag so it fires at the right moment and helps you segment subscribers with confidence. First, head to your Manychat dashboard. This is your home base where you can access everything related to your bot. Once you're there, look to the left-hand menu and go to Automation, then choose Flows. Flows are the visual maps of your conversations and actions, so this is the perfect place to decide where a tag should be applied. Open the flow where you want the tag to be added. Think about the moment you want to mark a subscriber, for example when they click a button, request more information, or reach a key message. Placing the tag at the right point ensures your audience is segmented accurately from that specific interaction onward. Inside the Flow Builder, click the plus icon to Add Action. You'll see a list of possible actions that can happen at that exact step in the journey. Actions are great because they run silently in the background without changing the visible user experience, and they keep your data organized. From the action list, select Add Tag. This tells Manychat to attach a label to anyone who reaches this point in the flow. Tags can later be used to filter broadcasts, build conditions in other flows, and understand how people are engaging with your content. Now type your tag name. Clear, consistent names make reporting and targeting much easier. For example, you might use tags like interested, lead, or customer. Stick to simple, readable words and keep a consistent naming style so the same concept isn't split across multiple similar tags. If a tag already exists, select it. If not, typing a new name will create it for future use. Finally, click Save. Your action is now part of the flow, and anyone who reaches that step will receive the tag automatically. This small addition pays off later when you want to send tailored messages, exclude customers from promo blasts, or track how well specific entry points are performing. To recap, you went from the Manychat dashboard into automation and flows, opened the flow you're working on, added an action, chose Add Tag, named the tag, and saved. Keep your tagging simple and intentional, and you'll make your automation smarter without adding complexity.